Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this video we are going to learn how to fix this site can't be reached error in Google Chrome. So first of all, make sure your internet connection is working and try opening another website like google.com. If it doesn't open, restart your Wi-Fi or router. Open the Google Chrome, choose your account, click on the three dots, then scroll down, go to the settings, click on the left side, click on the privacy and security, and then click on delete browsing data. Here you can choose cookies and other sites data, browsing history, cached images, and then after this, sometimes network settings fix themselves after a simple restart, or restart your PC and try opening the website again. After these steps, the this site can't be reached, error should be fixed.